So here is part 2. Because you've done air conduction in both ears, you're going to come back in and you're going to do bone conduction. So I'll show you how to place it on Katarina's, you being the subject. So we're just going to have this move. So we want your head. We need to see your, how are we going to do that? There we go. Let's see. Okay. So if you want to turn your head looking over here, the bone conduction, what you want to do is this flat portion is what you're going to put on her mastoid bone. And it's just going to seat like that. And if you want to turn this way, so it's just going to situate so that it's sitting flat. And that's the placement of it. You only need to do bone conduction on one side, so you can choose which side you want to put it on. This one obviously is on her right side. So then we're gonna, you can take that off, Katarina. Make sure again not to stretch the bone oscillator, just to put it stretch it enough to put it on, and make sure when you're done that you hang it back up. And we're going to go back over to the other side again. And instead of on the audiometer where we had right and left, so you can see right there, we had it on phone, which is right there. You're actually going to pick bone now. So you push that button and you'll see up here it says the transducer is bone conduction. And that's you will do exactly the same things, but remember for bone conduction you're only going to test 500 hertz through, so that's where you're going to change your frequencies, 500 hertz through 4,000 hertz. So you do fewer frequencies, but you can do the same procedure with the intensity. You can start at 40, and then you can go down by 10 each time they respond. You will also use the same response button that you were using for air conduction. And when you go back in and take the bone oscillator off, again, make sure you place it back. And then when you're done both of those, you'll want to make sure you turn off the equipment right on that side so the screen will be blank. You'll want to make sure you don't leave anything in the booth. Take your form with you. You can take an extra form if you need to recopy it. Good luck.